we have Pori, who people say he takes, but we also hear voices of people saying he's a giver.
Yeah.
Then we have Casper Nyovest, who's a taker, but why don't we hear people saying good things about him? Bro, and to tell you, if he says my bread stinks, if I'm the problem, why is he the only one people always have issues against? Mechi has a quarrel with Casper. AKA had a quarrel with Casper. Rick had a quarrel with Casper. MT, but Reese, they have a quarrel with Casper. Now it's me. Doesn't it hit his head to think that there's something wrong he's doing?
And the brother is hooking as well. Yo, bro, factually so. This is no hate. It's like it's a trend of what's been happening. No hate, bro. It's no hate. It's a trend of what's been happening. Damn, bro, he's cooking, bro.
The common denominator.